24 years just waiting for a chance to tell her how I feel and maybe get a second glance. Now I gotta get used to not living next door to Alice. We grew up together, two kids in the park, carved our initials deep in the bark. Me and Alice. As she walks through the door with her head held high, just for a moment I caught her eye as the big limousine pulled slowly